What is going on, guys? Welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome to the channel. My name is Zachary Pacilio, and we're going to be making a sound today. So I'm going to be using Harmor, like you may have guessed. I got a fresh Harmor default setting. I'm just going to keep it on the saw wave for now. I'm going to cut some of that high frequency out. Alright, so what do I want to do here? I definitely want some sort of volume envelope going. I'll just keep it kind of... It already sounds kind of nice. Let's see. I want to do some sort of filtering here. I'm going to turn up the resonance because I want to mess with this time. The resonance sort of just emphasizes the frequency information where the cutoff is currently at. And you can change the width of it, of how, like, oops. So it can be really thin, or it can be thick, and it can be thick and cover a wider area. I'm going to do something a little bit thinner there. Maybe I'll edit this articulator and do like a LFO, low frequency oscillator. I can speed this up a bit. This is... And then I'll do the same thing with the actual cutoff as well. Just hook it to the tempo just to make it simpler. Simpler, more simple. I haven't slept in a while, guys. My English might be off. I don't know. Okay. And what I'll do is I'll create another thing here. Let me take the pencil off. And I will stay in loop in. Let's add another layer to this sound. Let's work on the B side of this. I want to have something smoother going on in the background, so it kind of has that juxtaposition. Let's oop, wrong one. I wanted to pitch it down. Let's add some unison. And let's make a volume envelope as well. We'll just keep it around the same thing, so it sounds like similar length and similar onset, so it sounds like a more constructive sound here. What am I looking for? I'll add like a Add some phaser, some phasiness. That was cringy. Actually, you know what? Let's keep that default. Let's change the harmonic level of this a bit across the whole. Let's see. Let's just kind of screw with this. I shouldn't even be messing with up here because I'm already low passing it out. So it's really all down here. All right, let's pitch that down even more. I'm going to run this through a high pass as well because I don't want too much. Let's add some reverb and compression. I'm going to add some vibrato onto the A side. I'm actually kind of not liking the let's just get rid of this and slow it down. That's kind of cool. All right, so I'm going to leave it at that. That's actually pretty cool sounding. Anyway, let me know if you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you have any suggestions or anything anything that you would like to see on this channel. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment if you have any questions, and we'll see you guys in the next video.